Nokia stock, AMC stock, and I'm switching from Robinhood. What's up guys, my name is Ilya and welcome to my channel. This weekends, they were very long weekends, probably the longest weekends in my life. After what happened last week, we had to wait what's gonna happen on Monday. A lot of people had a huge position in GameStop, Nokia, AMC and others, and unfortunately a lot of trading platforms blocked the opportunity to buy more, or they restricted or limited, like Robinhood. And this is kind of sketchy situation because if people can freely buy stocks, they won't go up. And it means that Wall Street can close their position and they can close their short position, which is drive the price down. We're not going to talk about GameStop, and in my opinion, the GameStop short squeeze is still here. The only problem is that GameStop is restricted on a lot of platforms, but everything is still to come. And this week will be a crazy week for all hype stocks like Nokia, AMC, and GameStop. Latest news for Nokia. In February 4th, Nokia announced earnings pre-market. The earnings pre-market most likely will be good. But last week, Ericsson, do you remember the company Sony Ericsson? Yes, they're one of the companies who is in a 5G niche and they beat the expectation. They did really good. So a lot of analytics actually bumped the price up for Nokia as well. And everybody is expecting higher earnings in 2020 and they're expecting growth year over year. We'll see, it's kind of hard to tell right now, but Nokia has a lot of good contracts and licensing with a lot of countries, a lot of companies. And just today Nokia announced that they're partnering with StarHub to expedite their standalone 5G services, and this is a great news. Another huge contract going to Nokia, and it shows us for 2021 it will be very good year for Nokia as a company and for people who hold Nokia. By the way, follow me on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, click the like button and comment down below what do you think about hype stocks like Nokia and AMC. Now let's talk about AMC. AMC's hype is still high, and everywhere and around all social medias, everybody is still talking about AMC squeeze, and in everybody's opinion apparently that short squeeze is just about to start. Today, Monday the 1st, February 1st, the highest price for AMC today on February 1st was 17.25, and when the market closed, a lot of volume for selling AMC came in and they drove the AMC price to $11 and it bumped up. But to be honest, the price after hours, it doesn't really matter because it's very volatile and it's going up and down like crazy, so it's not a big deal. I'm pretty sure tomorrow will start 15 plus and you have to wait a couple days. Volume is still huge, it's around 500 million shares for AMC, so hype is here, everybody's trading AMC, and it's probably going to take a couple of days to see if short squeezes actually starts, if it's enough volume, enough interest from retail investors, and if we can do something close to GameStop. Well, just want to make sure that something like GameStop won't happen to AMC, but we can easily see $50-$60 per share if the short squeeze will begin, if we actually can close the AMC at a certain price on this Friday this week. And again, I'm not a financial advisor, don't listen to me, it's just my opinion. Nokia's volume was high too, it was around 250 million shares volume today on February 1st. It means that Nokia is trading on a high levels as well. It didn't hit the $5 market like I thought it will. It was at $4.99, 1 cent shy, and it closed around 4.7, which is not a bad thing because on a Friday it closed around 4.3. Like I said, I'm pretty sure everybody's waiting and expecting really good news on Nokia when they announce earnings, and then it probably will go up and we can see $6, $7, or maybe even $10. This week will be very interesting, and by the end of this week we can tell if AMC will do something like GameStop and if Nokia is going to the moon too. And now let's talk about Robinhood really quick. I have decided that I'm gonna change my brokerage and I'm done with Robinhood. I was using Robinhood from 2017. I was a fan. I liked it a lot. I subscribed all my friends to Robinhood. But now, after what happened last week, I'm definitely switching to Webull. And stop, before you're saying that Webull is the same like Robinhood, it's not. It's much better. I actually was contemplating even before switching on Webull because of their charts, more options. It's a better platform. They have online platform, iOS platform, and they also have a desktop platform, which is really nice. There are much more options trading. It's a little bit more complicated if you just started your trading journey, but again, it takes you a couple days and you're good to go. By the way, if you want to switch from Robinhood, you can click the link down below. You'll get 4 free stocks if you deposit $100 or more, and 2 just for registration. That sounds like a deal, no brainer. If you want to transfer your funds from Robinhood or other platforms, it costs $75 usually, but if you transfer $2,000 or more, the Webull will give you that money back, so it costs you nothing. I will wait a couple days because it takes around 3 to 5 days to transfer your account to another brokerage, and right now this week is way too important to play around with this because during the transfer you cannot sell, buy or anything or close any positions. So I don't want to risk it, and I want to wait 1 more week, and then I will transfer all my funds from Robinhood and I'm done with Robinhood. And I do know that a lot of platforms did restrict the trading for GameStop and other stocks, but the way Robinhood justified that, like, oh, we did it for you, well, they didn't do it for us, then they changed their mind. They said because they didn't have enough money. So you know what, you gotta choose one side. You can't play both sides. And like I said, I was a fan and I don't want to switch, but at this point I made a decision and I'm switching for sure. So one more time, click the link below if you want to register. After registration and approval, you'll get 2 free stocks, and if you deposit $100 or more, you'll get another 2 free stocks, which is amazing. 4 stocks just for $100. All right, guys, this is my opinion. I will make a YouTube guide how to transfer your funds from Robinhood to Webull, and subscribe to my channel. Like this video and comment down below your opinion about the situation, about the stock hype, and what do you think about Robinhood, and if you still use it or are you trying to switch. Take care, guys. We'll see you next week.